Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2022 Lexus IS300 and we're going to do the front grille chrome delete for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So we used a gloss black material, that way it matches the look of the grille. If you like how the product looks, link for the product will be down in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting with the installation, we want to make sure we prep the front grille. So make sure you remove any contaminants that the grille might have. So you can use any cleaning products to help remove any contaminants. For right now, I'm using 70% alcohol with water mixed in it and a clean microfiber towel. So just spray it onto your microfiber towel and just go all around, making sure you remove any contaminants that the chrome might have. And once you're done cleaning the whole chrome piece, make sure that everything is dry, because for this type of installation we require a dry installation for this. Okay, so for this installation we're going to start off with the bottom section first and just work our way on top. And remember, the same steps that we do for this end, you would just rinse and repeat to the other side of the grille. So for this one's the pre-cut for the bottom half. So with this one, start by aligning this cutout to this edge of the chrome. So make sure you're giving yourself enough material to cover the top piece of the chrome here. So align it right on the edge. Use the top half in order to align the film. And then once you have it tacked down, bring the film down slowly without wrinkling the film. And if you need to lift to readjust, you can. And then just start tacking this whole flat surface down first. So grab your squeegee and tack it down. Right here we're going to apply heat just to help the film tack down to this small curve here. So start from tacking down from this section, from the cutout, and make your way to this section here. And if you need to apply heat to tack it down, you can. So right here we'll stop tacking it down, because right here we're going to use heat to help it tack down, and also heat over here in this section. Okay, so just start applying heat and just help it tack down. And now that we tack down the whole section, the next thing to do is just trimming off any excess material that we have. So for example, right here on this part, we could just trim it off and just tuck in the rest of the material. Just be careful when you're trimming the film not to scratch the paint. So take your time. You don't have to put too much force when you're trying to trim. You're only trying to do a light cut on the actual film. So peel it where you did the trim and it should come off easily. And just help it tack down. Okay, so now we're moving on to this section of the chrome. So with this one, just align it right where we left off, right here underneath the film. Just match it and make sure you're covering the chrome too while you're matching it. So it should be like this. And then just tack it down with your squeegee. All the areas we could tuck in, you could tuck in the film. Okay, and now we're just going to apply heat just to help this section of the film tack down to this curve here. And then any excess material that we do have, we're just going to trim it off with our blade. So for this last piece, just align it right on the tip of the edge here, roughly like that, and then just finish off by installing the rest of the film and just follow the design of the chrome. So like that, wrap it around, make sure you squeegee any air bubbles. And then we're going to apply heat just to help it tack down on this curve here and to seal the film up here. So the last thing to do once you finish the whole installation is post heating all around the grille and making sure we help the adhesive on the film tack down to the grille. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the front grille for the 2022 Lexus IS300. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.